Hello boys and girls, today we are going to be working on lesson 4-6. This is on page 231, so if you need a grown-up to help you get there, go ahead and ask a grown-up to help you. All right, there are 7 fish in this bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And Emily puts one more fish in the bowl. How many fish are in the bowl now? How could we solve this problem? What could we do to figure out how many fish are in the bowl now? Go ahead and think about that for a second. How many fish are in the bowl now? Something that we could do to help us is to maybe draw one more fish. Now, this is how I draw a fish. I do the letter C, and then I make an X on it. And then I connect the lines at the bottom. So there's my fish. So I drew one more fish because she put one more fish into the bowl. And now I can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more. 8. Is that what you thought? Did you think that there were 8 fish in the bowl now? All right, we're going to go on to the next page. Okay, Carlos sees 4 frogs in the pond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then he sees one more frog. So he saw 4. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then bloop, one more came in. How many are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now there are 5 frogs in the pond. Okay, we're going to be practicing that and adding one more to see what the number is. Okay, let's check out these. So Alex sees some frogs in the pond. Then one more hops in, and we're going to figure out how many are there now. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 frogs. But then, bloop, one more came. So draw a circle for one more frog. One more frog came. Now let's see how many are there. We can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more. 8. How many are there now? 8. So let's write the number 8. If you need to, you can always pause the video. All right, in this pond, there's 1, 2, and then hop. One more hops on in. So let's draw one more frog. Now how many are there? 1, 2, 3. How many frogs? 3. Let's write the number 3. All right, let's see how many frogs are on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then hop, here comes one more. Go ahead and draw one more frog. Now how many frogs are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. 9. There are now 9 frogs. All right, let's do these ones now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 frogs. And hop, here comes another one. Now let's see how many frogs there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, I'm going to cross them off. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more. 7. How many are there? 7. Go ahead and write the number 7. When you're done with that, go ahead and turn the page. All right, now this page is a little bit tricky. So this one, I'm letting parents, you can help them a little bit more with this one. And it's okay if they don't quite get it right. But the directions are down here if you want to do this with them. This is the only one that I'm okay with if you help them with this. just because it's a performance assessment and it's more problem solving. So I'm okay if you help a little bit more with this one. And the directions are on here. I'll let you know what to do first though. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. Marta's family has 5 pets. Then her family gets 1 more. How many pets do they have now? So first thing, we're gonna draw 5 pets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, then she adds 1 more. How many pets are there now? What are some ways that you could figure out this problem? Okay, so you can use different tools if you want. You could draw them, you could use counters, you could count objects if you wanted to. All right, but you're going to try to figure out how many does she have now? And then I want you to write the number down here. Okay? So I want you to think about how something could help you figure out this problem. So it's not just about figuring out the problem, but thinking about what do you use to help you figure out the problem? Do you use drawing to help you figure out? Do you use counters to help you figure out the problem? All right, then I want you to think about, should the answer be greater than or less than 5? What do you think? Is the answer going to be greater than 5 or is it going to be less than 5? All right, so once you're done with this, this is the only page that you need to post onto Seesaw. If you want some extra practice, you're gonna do your homework. You could do the homework page, and then I will see your work on Seesaw.